Hey, he's climbing to the top. Our handshakes are at the top.
We won't be able to.
Hello, bug.
Why?
Come, tell us about snack time.
Well, it's where you eat snacks.
Probably about, I think there's 5 of us total.
Okay, thanks. We count.
Holy shit. Sorry for the swears, Mom.
What the hell are we riding down? Yeah. Looking back up, it looks terrifying.
Sometimes at the top of the mountain I reach in towards the bag and I find some of my handshakes.
The